What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What we are going to expect from gold this week is what we are going to talk about today. Then before we do that, guys, we must go and look at the fundamental aspect of the trading. Let's know what we have next week. Then before we proceed to technical aspect. So for fundamental aspect, I use a Forex factory. So but it is always good for you to combine the two. Combine Forex factory and my Forex book. All of them will give you best results. That's what I think. So I always combine them. So for this point, guys, I expect you guys to combine it whenever you want to look at your fundamental aspect of the trading. So now let's go on, guys. Before we start, hit the subscriber button below, then watch out. I will be updating what I'm going to expect in any currency that I'm going to trade this week. So I will give you guys some clue the way you approach the markets, and I'm going to share confirmation and all the entries that I will take in the trade. So then on Monday, I don't think we have any news that is very important. We are not going to have any volatility in the market. So Monday is a free day. If you are trading on Monday, you just be trading without worrying about anything. It's very, very important. So on Tuesday, as we can see, all Canadian pairs will be very, very volatile. I think we have CPI, the Canadian dollars, we have their CPI on Tuesday. So the CPI is going to be on Tuesday. Then USD pair, I think core retail sales is going to be on Tuesday too. So there might be any pair with USD might be very volatile, or just not very. They might be moderate and volatile. So that is the thing. So you have to worry about it and look after it, because anything can happen. So watch it. Yeah. So on Wednesday, GPP CPI will always occur by 7. They will always release GPP CPI by 7, and anytime you are preparing to trade, you watch out on the news, check the news to know what the news is saying before you now go into a trade. I think we have other things on Wednesday, like building permits. Yeah, it might USD pair must be volatile on Wednesday. It must be volatile because we have so many news that are very, very strong on Wednesday. So you watch out to it. Watch out. So then Thursday we have GPP, some news monitoring policies summary, and the official bank rates. So all those news is going to be, and even USD, we have unemployment claims. It's very good. It's going to be volatile some way. So Friday we with Canadian dollar and JPY. Those currency must be volatile that day. So watch out to it. Always look after this news, because they are going to be very important. They are going to be of help. So go to other platform that can present this kind of news. Look after them. Some platform used to hide some of the news, so you need to go to other platform to check whether there is any major news. Like for example, on Monday now we have only expired state manufacturing index. So you go to other platform to check whether we have other hidden news on Monday. So that is it, bro. So now let's move to technical aspect of the trading. So this is the technical aspect of the trading. We are going to watch closely and check what is going to happen this week. Right now, let's clear the chart. So let's go to, you can see what the chart is showing us at this point. This point, you know that we have been expecting price to come to this level before another push up, but we have been expecting price to come to this level. So because this like a consolidation, you know, we have what they call rally based rally. We have something like this. When you have a push stop this way, then you start having consolidation this way, then you will be waiting for price to break that consolidation, then the retest, then move up. This is what we have at this point. This particular thing I draw here, this is what we have at this point here in 1 week. So we know that the price is going to continue to the upside, but we also expect the price to retest. So you can see that this is the candle that break this level that we are talking about, creating this one candle retracement and break above it. So we were expecting price to come back to this one candle retracement to before moving to the upside, but you can see that the price failed to come to that level. So now what we are going to do is that, so far as we see that the price has already failed to come to this level, we are not going to be paying much attention at this point anymore. So because the price has already broke the level, so what we are going to pay attention to is this area, because you can see that two minimum candle close below this level that I marked here. So that is what we are going to pay attention to. So now that area and this area too is very, very, very much helpful, that we are going to pay more attention to. So now what we are going to expect this week is that if this is weekly time frame, so if price will come to this level or this level before moving, using week to come to this level before moving up again, then we expect more bullish movement to 1,600. I think that is it. More bullish movement to 1,600. I think that will be very okay. 1,600 somewhere here. So when the price tests this level, that's what we expect to this level. We expect more move to this level. More move to this level. So next thing we are going to expect, you know that the move that started this week, I think it started from 2,500. I think that is where the move started this week. 2,500. Then we expect the price to reach the 2,600, which is the psychological round psychological level for this gold. So now this is what we really expect in 1 week. We expect that the price should close this way, which is the price has already closed this way. Then we expect the price to maybe hit this 2,600 and then come back to this level before we now push to that level again. So now let's go to 1 day. So in 1 day we can see what is happening at this level. That we have places that the price took out. So somewhere like this level and this level. So if the price hits that round psychological level, which is 2,600, they now start coming back to retest. We'll be waiting for the price at this point. This level, we'll be waiting for the price to come to this point before we now continue to the upside. So that's what we are going to wait for 1 hour, for 1 day. I mean to say So that's what we are going to wait for one day. So looking at, you see that looking at the chart now, you see that this point is also support level, and this is resistance level, which is okay. The price has already taken out, and we are waiting for the retest on this. Looking at it very well, you can see that this is a double bottom, showing that the price will always go to the upside when it comes to retest on it again. So then let's move to this one day now. The price is coming to, if the price moves to this point, it will always come to touch this level again before going to the upside. So look at 4 hours. Look at 4 hours. Looking at your 4 hours, you see the recent breakout like this, and looking at it very well, you see that the price has been touching this level. The price, when the price comes to this level, you always see the price selling. When it comes to this level, it will always sell until it now broke the level, then retested on it, then continue to the upside. You can see it. So this level is of very important to us. So we are going to mark it. And wait for the price to come to this level again. Once it comes to this level again, we expect price to retest on this small breakout here before continuing to the upside, or this level before continuing to the upside. That is the thing. So now if we go to 1 hour, looking at 1 hour now, you can see that we have so many levels that price has already created. So, and we expect this level to be taken out before those things I said will happen. So if the price did not take out this level, what we expect is retest to this level and continue. And what we are expecting right now is for price to touch this level before we get to downside, because there's no round psychological level that is very close that we expect price to continue selling. So, and the right psychological level we expect for the price to continue selling is something like this. At this point like this, we expect price to hit this level, then continue, break the structure of 1 hour, then continue selling. So if price did not do that, what I will expect more is for the price to retest on this look at it here, for the price to retest on this 550 is very, very good. For price to retest on this 550, then continue to the upside. So you see how the price retested on this 550. When it broke it, then it came back and retest on this 550 before moving to the upside down. So that is it. So we expect price to come to this 550 then before going to the upside. But if this place is being broke, like the price will always show you a chart pattern. Once it shows you a chart pattern, you follow the chart pattern, and we expect price to come to this level and also go to this 2600. Understand what I said? I said if this price did not go back to 2600 before retesting back, we expect the price to come back to 550, then move to that 600. That's what I am expecting in this gold. That's what I'm expecting in gold. So then this is all. The other ones, this like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes is your entry whenever you see the price coming to this zone that we are looking at here. So that is it. So remember, in our 4 hours we have series of double, but like we have double bottom, so you need to be trading with that. So in the same way you have double bottom in your 1 hour, so we need to be trading with that. But this one has been used up because the price has already taken out this level. So that is it. So what we are going to do right now is now to pay attention and wait for the price to come to those our levels before we now take the trade. All right, We'll be doing giveaway if we reach 1,000 subscriber. I will show you the kind of giveaway if we reach 1,000 subscribers. So anytime you come to watch, share, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, share my YouTube channel so that others can see it and benefit and subscribe also. Thank you so much. See you next